Hey guys, what is going on? Today I wanted to share with you two EV related stocks that I believe have the potential to significantly make bullish runs in this year 2023. I'll share with you these two tickers, why these company stocks have the potential to skyrocket, and what's the price target. Let's get started. Now, if you're new to this channel at alliseeisW, I would really appreciate you hitting the like and subscribing for more related content. I really appreciate your support, comments, and feedback that you all share. Now, the first EV stock I wanted to talk about is Lucid, right? As of today, the share price in the aftermarket hovered up above $9. We know that the peak low back in December was hovering at the $6 range. At one point, this stock hovered all the way up to the $52 range, right, back in 2021, and it's just been bleeding out, right? Now, the question is, will it continue to bleed out? No, we're beginning to see confidence build up, bullish patterns where the 20-day moving average has beat its 200-day moving average. Looking at this from a year-to-date standpoint, we see this bullish pattern. I foresee a cup and handle happening here with Lucid. We know that Lucid is one of the competitors of companies like Tesla, and that the quality of the car is really solid in that you can buy a car based on what your preference is, right? I mean, they even have cars that have horsepower up to 1,200 horsepower, and in terms of the car distance before having to charge it up, it can go all the way up to like 500 miles. There's a broad portfolio of different types of cars, and what's unique is that recently the company announced news in terms of its production. The company's production hasn't been increasing in 2022, and we foresee that to increase more. This is a US-based company initially starting out in Newark, but there's sites all across the Bay Area, and I foresee people beginning to build on this brand. For example, folks who don't really want to have a Tesla and want to go above and beyond will look for companies like Lucid. It's a high quality type of vehicle from my perspective, and it's been just going up from like $6 and now up to the $9. In terms of price forecast, I see Lucid breaking $45 range. I'm really bullish with this ticker, and I believe that it has the potential to go beyond 5x increase, and it'll at one point reach its prior resistance of $53. I'm forecasting $45 range. Whether it's going to happen in 2023, 2024, we shall see that come. So the next company I wanted to share with you that I believe has potential to make a run as well is Mullen Automotive. This is also another electric vehicle company, not as big as Lucid. However, we're beginning to see confidence build up. Its volume has increased as of today by 100%, right? Its market cap, it's $500 million. We know at one point, just looking at it from a long-term perspective, a 52-week range, it hovered up in the $4 range, right? And it's been just bleeding out this year. The question is this a good buying opportunity? I believe that just based on where we're seeing the price increasing as of today, we have the potential to see this continue to run, right? Given the fact that the volume has increased, and just with Mullen announcing to its shareholders that they do not intend to make any reverse stock splits, that just builds confidence that eventually Mullen in the current NASDAQ market will continue to hover up in its share price to meet the requirements of the plus $1 range to be in this type of market, right? And Mullen does make vehicles where the car can reach all the way up to like 300 miles before having to charge it up. So it's a solid vehicle as well. And in terms of its speed, I mean, it can reach up to like 0 to 60 miles within like 3 seconds. So there you go. I mean, it's a competitive vehicle. Currently, price is at the basement low, and the question is, will it reach its prior resistance? Right? We know back in 2021 it was close to like $13. I mean, this is definitely a buying opportunity. So if I had to assess, whether Lucid or Mullen is a better buying opportunity, that's a very difficult call, and I'll look forward to hearing what your thoughts are. In terms of price forecasting, I would say that Mullen has the potential to reach $2 in this year alone. So that's my perspective. So I hope that this video added value and that I was able to give you my insights. And I look forward to your questions, feedback, and please just make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. All I see is W. Goodbye.